There's just something about that sound. Will the Flowmaster still be king? Old school Windsor, big camshaft, choppy, lopey. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna stick the old Flowmasters back on our car here with a 600 lift cam and a 393 stroker. We're about to find out. We got here, we have our 1990 Ford Mustang Fox body that's got a 393 stroker. That is a 351 Windsor stroked 30 over with a 3.85 crankshaft. So it's gonna have some torque, gonna have some power. Now this setup made 475 to the wheels without the mufflers on, and it definitely is a 500 plus wheel horsepower motor. We got the muffler set up to where there can be a quick hot swap, 1.75 inch long tubes, 600 lift camshaft from Trickflow 227 heads, which is those are the new 11R 227s. They sound badass. Makes really good power. So the format of the video is we're gonna actually take it over to the shop. We're gonna start with the Flowmaster Deltas. We're gonna take them for a ride, come back over here and do the chop that you're gonna see the comparison. Now we created a video recently, Mac flow path versus the FP performance muffler. The race muffler, and they sound literally identical. So if you're looking for that old school Mac sound, FP's got a nice hit to it. As you can hear, that's what we still have on the actual car. In order for us to do good muffler videos, we got to double back one more time on our two Flowmaster mufflers. And we're going to do them both here in the same video. Just going to get them installed, do a little cam chop, and then at the end of the video, which muffler did you think was the best? We'll take us for a ride, go pick up something real quick, let you guys hear the in-car. Do the same for the Flowmasters. Definitely sound really good. Sound very, very close to what the Macs are. The Macs are my favorite. The Flowmasters, I haven't heard them. Well, we'll see if the Flowmasters are pretty good. Let's get it over to the shop real quick and swap out these mufflers as we got two to do. Miles per gallon. Yes, sir.
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that old Chinese desire.
So looks like Cousin Paul fixed our little oil leak. Brand new YN, whatever.
Up here?
Up there in the curve.
In the curve, the welds were leaking.
We had a nice little spot. We were losing quite a bit of oil. So we just went on both sides. Well, it wasn't even on this side. You can see the welds weren't very good. I don't know what it is with us in freaking oil pans, but they just like to leak. So while I'm under here on the car, I'll be able to make an adjustment on my long tubes. These are my BBK 1.75 inch. We actually made an extension here. So like I talked about in the last video, you don't get these like this from BBK. You have to make this. And we made our own X-Pike with Summit, and you can see how we just quick swap these. So you see me pull these down real quick. These are going to a new customer on our live stream, and we're gonna put the Flowmaster on.
Yeah. Turn on that Siri. Until it crack my hair. Nitro took a baby day.
Flowmaster Delta's on, and we're ready to go take it for a ride, go check out the chop, and we're gonna be taking them right back off in favor of the two chambers that we're about to put on. We'll be giving these away. Big thanks to FP Performance for giving us a set of their race mufflers to test out here on the channel. So, and following suit will be the vibrants that we're gonna be putting on. After these chambered mufflers, we're going to be doing some straight throughs. I got some SLPs, some vibrants, and I also have a set of Borlas that I personally own that we're gonna try a little bit of something different. So we'll go with those three versus chamber. Distinct sound to Flowmaster, but I wonder what its 40 series set mufflers will sound like. Take you for a ride real quick, and then we'll head back over to the shop and swap them back out. Definitely has that Flowmaster sound though. Distinct. Definitely got less of a drone. But noticeable. That's a good one. All right, let's get back to the shop and put the 2 chambers on. That's what I've been waiting for. These are the 42443 Flowmasters, and these are going to go on. Like I said, we're going to keep them on for a while. Pretty much using the same format as we did last time. We'll take these clamps down and take these mufflers off. Now, these are the OG Flowmaster Deltas, and these are the OG Flowmaster 2-chamber 40 series. We've probably had it on muffler pile for like, I don't know, 10 or 15 years. They're not made recent. Something to be said about the sound being a little bit different than the newer ones, but all right, got them locked in here, ready to go. Make a little bit of hit in the street, and then we'll go check out the cam chop and finish the video up. Let me know at the end what you think, which muffler you would have went with. They all sound good to me. I like me a little bit of cam chop and an old Windsor, that's for sure. Definitely has that iconic Flowmaster sound. Raspy. Higher RPM-ish. Take it down the street. Yeah, that's Flowmaster right there, baby. Pretty much any muffler that we put in this thing is going to sound nasty. Some a little more than others. Shit up all day. Love it. All right, we'll head back to the house, and we will put the mufflers up against the other ones. So, yep. Good old Flowmaster. Like I said from the beginning, ain't nothing like the old cam chop from a big cam, big inch Windsor with like 12-to-1 compression. This thing sounds nasty with whatever muffler we put on it, but let me tell you what, nothing like a good cam chop from a good pushrod motor. Let's be honest. I can't really tell you which one is my favorite. Mac is always and always will be probably my favorite. FP's hits like a hammer though, I'm not gonna lie to you. I definitely have interest in putting those back on this car. But Flowmasters, man, they take me back. When I got those Deltas, and especially when I put the 40 series 2 chambers on, it literally brought me back to 1995. I'm not even gonna lie to you, man. And just hearing it all over again in this motor and this motor combo and this exhaust combo, man, it just hits hard as hell. So where we at next? We're gonna start doing some straight through mufflers like the Borlas that we have on our turbo exhaust. We're also going to be doing, you know, the next muffler we're gonna be doing is the Vibrant. So that is also a straight through, and we'll probably do an SLP as well, like a loudmouth or whatever. So we'll do 3 straight mufflers straight through, and then we'll compare them to our chambered mufflers here, the Mac, the FP, and both Flowmasters, and let me know what you think. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what muffler you think is king today. And remember, we're gonna be giving away the FP mufflers very soon, as well as the Vibrants when we're done. But outside of that, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Check out that join button, become a member of the channel. Appreciate all my members who support us every month. Give me a thumbs up on the way out. We'll see you soon in the next one.